Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Ghulam Nabi Mir, Master Boys Higher Secondary School, Lalpura. Now I am delivering lecture of class 9th on subject mathematics. Today our topic is exercise 12.2 and question number 9. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Today we will solve question number 9 of exercise 12.2. Question number 9 is, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. We sketch a trapezium. This side is 10 meter and this side is 25 meter. This side is non-parallel side is 13 meter and this non-parallel side is 14 meter. A, B, C, D is the shape of a trapezium. CD is 10 meter, AB is 25 meter, and non-parallel CB is 14 meter, and non-parallel side AD is 13 meter. From C, draw CN perpendicular on AB. And from D, draw DM perpendicular on AB. Let AM is equal to X meter. NB is equal to NB is equal to, this is also equal to 10 meter MN, and NB is 15 minus X meter. This is 10 meter. Clearly, DM is equal to CN. This DM is equal to CN. Equal perpendiculars on the side AB. DM square is equal to CN square. DM is equal to X. DM is equal to 13 square minus X square, and CN is equal to 14 minus 15 minus X whole square by Pythagoras theorem. 13 is equal to 13 square is equal to 169 minus x square is equal to 14 square is 196 minus 15 square is, this is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 15 square is 225 plus 30x minus 30x plus x square, which is equal to 169 minus x square is equal to 196 minus 225 minus and minus plus 30x minus x square. This x square and x square cancel, which is equal to 30x is equal to 169 minus 196 plus 225. 30x is equal to 198 and x is equal to 198 by 30, which is equal to 6.6 meter. So, dm square is equal to AD square minus AM square by Pythagoras theorem. dm is equal to square root of AD. AD is 13 square minus AM is equal to 6.6 square. dm, which is equal to 13 square is 169 and 6.6 is equal to 43.56 meters. dm is equal to under root of 125.44 meter, which is equal to 11.2 meter. Therefore, dm is equal to 11.2 meter. Therefore, area of a trapezium is equal to 1/2 of sum of the parallel sides AB plus CD into height dm, which is equal to area is equal to 1/2 into AB is 25 and CD is 10 into dm is 11.2, which is equal to 1/2 25 into 10 is 35, 25 5 plus 10 is 35 into 112 by 10. 2 1 is a, 2 5 is a, 2 6 is a, 2 5 is a, 2 2 is a, 2 8 is a, 5 1 is a, 5 7 is a, which is equal to 28 into 7 meters square, which is equal to 7 8 is a 56, 7 2 is a 14, 14 plus carry 5, 19 meters square is the required area of the trapezium.